You don't mean it.
Sweet.
I hate to see you crying. I hate it. What happened? What?
She said on me. With Juliet.
Don't you feel guilty?
Why should I feel guilty? Why?
For God's sake, she's your friend.
And she's selfish. Can we cheer you? Baby.
We got that. I think that I feel for that. Ah! You can send somebody a free fire. That donkey boy. No. I be the host. Nana man the host. I think make a go call and give. Come in the machine. Make a go call and give you. Come in the machine. You know the move I make a.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like
Charlie. Are you the be, I swear.
Thank you.
Can I tell you something?
Okay. You don't mean it.
I swear.
No, stop. I can't do this with you.
Relax. Hey,
No, I can't.
not doing anything yet. Hey, come on. Relax, what's it? Come on, hey.
Alright, listen. I like you. But I don't want you. Don't you feel guilty that I'm with your best friend?
You like me, you don't want me.
Don't
Come on,
understand.
hey. You like me, you don't want me. Come on, me, I'll do anything for you to be mine, you understand? Hey. Relax.
Are you coming with us?
Yeah, he said I should follow you guys.
Okay, can you please wait outside? I want to get you.
Damn, okay, I hear.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm waiting for you.
take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime. Communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this.
So tired. Oh. This place is not bad at all. Okay, are we good? Buffet, are you sure this is the right step to take right now? You know, we can always go back if you want. Are you sure about this? I want the happy Frema I know. Should we go in or should we go out?
I'm not running away from my problems. I'm not running from my big group. I just want a quiet place so I can just think, just have my privacy, so just get rid of all this drama.
I'm always going to be here for you, okay? I just want you to be happy so that you forget about that fool. Seriously, how is a big who able to not just cheat on you but sleep with
Amy?
I'm very sorry about that. Don't tell me that is a big who. Yes. So after sleeping with our best friend, he still had the guts to call you like our
Amy, please.
Oh my goodness, I'm really sorry. But the place is dope, don't you think? I'm loving it already. Like, I mean, this place is going to be, don't you think? I think we're going to enjoy our stay over here, going to beaches and
Can we go now?
Sure, after you. Please put on the smiley face for me. Yeah, that's my girl.
I don't know what laugh. When the thing of face, I laugh at you. But, darling, so you don't talk to this will happen. This thing will happen. Darling.
Then, like, when I'm fucking confused, I don't even know what to do at the moment.
Oh, but you be senior man. We can talk, you be senior man. Hey, wait, the join two. This why be full mapping. You join two girls. Your own babe, but as your friend. Wait this. Hey, darling. You be senior man. So like, bro. As Frema then, you let the work now, you did them inside where me, your friend, I know say you did date Frema. Now this thing they go on. Hey, Chama.
See, this girl whole issue thing. But maybe I don't understand the whole concept.
Talk me, concept. Talk me.
See, this girl, Charlie, you know how much I love him, right? So it will be very difficult to say me about cheat on that girl.
Okay, I know. For that one, I know.
Yeah.
Point number one.
This girl, you all know. Like the girl, she dey post pressure. Charlie, the girl, they post pressure. You know, the thing, it just happened just like that, Charlie. Maybe something maybe like a plan or something. You know, Charlie, bad.
Your boss, why you be killer? You be killer. Hey! Two friends. Where the date why you also at the high darling.
See, if you do this, I don't go talk you the thing again.
I make you. Chama. Talk.
See, the worst part is the girl actually barged in and she met me and I was licking.
Pass! Punch! Punch!
Charlie, this is not a joke. It's a serious matter.
Boza!
Charlie, see, this is not funny. This is not funny.
Hey,
man.
Chairman,
This is not funny.
you did. No, you did what? You put your mouth inside a thing where you did. Hey, you did something. Hey, Charlie. Phyllis. Repeat. No, in fact, repeat. You did what? Lick. So, you want to talk to me now? Your mouth did a thing inside and it. Hey!
Charlie, see.
Charlie.
Honestly, you for be serious. Like,
No,
if you do, I'm not going to talk about
Charlie, oh, relax. Hey!
Charlie,
But no, the thing you know, say, me, I believe, say, ever since you met Fema, I'm not sure, say, if you put your mouth in Fema, they think that suck before me, I know. Or you do am.
that be the hour thing we are doing.
Yes, so automatically, the girl go ball. Ideologically, the girl go ball. Me, crank, I go ball. Me, I go ball. I go ball collect.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text.
Chama, oh, you know, try. If you can't meet you where you kiss the girl, cry, that one be normal. You feel like you greet the girl where you kiss. But lick! Go on!
But see, now, if you mean the support or if you
I know they support anyone with their chairman. What you do need your chairman, you know yourself. You know yourself, say you know do I'm right. But
that's why I come to you, bro. I'm being confused, so I want to just give you some ideas that I know.
That's why I go do psychology then. Counseling for Lagos.
See, I know they like that psychology.
No, yeah. So when the thing happen, you call them.
Charlie, I call the girl sense. She know the answer I call. What do they
Point
expect?
from her, she no go feel big. Keep. Because what you do, you know, they know right. But she no go feel big. That be my bro. Sorry. I don't go feel put all the blame on you. No. The devil crowd will shame me. I go put some more for your top. I be you know that. What you do, you know good. So make her think. This program there, Charlie. If you know be calculus there, I be you trick.
Charlie, you go give me some reasons or what?
Charlie, relax. I dey think. This one not be simple, yo. Not be simple. Chama.
See,
I don't know what I go feed you, bro, Chama. Huh?
you don't know what to go do.
This one I be licking case, oh, not be simple case where they go kiss then they use licking case. You know, yeah, I'll make her solve. I be mathematician. Make her put it that way. Since you call her now, she know they take me. So when you go, Charlie, go search for Freeman. Every corner where you go see that girl, search her. Ask him friends, the million and things them dey. Ask them. When you see them, Charlie, ask them where Freeman dey. Them know. Those people they know where Freeman dey. Talk am, she go show you where she dey. Emilia there, she go know. So that girl there. And if you know Emilia, so actually search for the girl and go apologize. Abio, talk and say you are sorry.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Can we get any room?
Yes, please. We have a single room for 250 cities and a twin bed for 350 cities, please.
Okay, we would like to check that of 250 cities.
Yeah, please. This way, please.
Alright. After you.
Apologize.
Yes, apologize.
So they mean say make I go see Frema like this. Be like, Frema, I'm sorry and,
Yes.
and I'm not going to do that thing again. And why
Fact, point, that's all. If possible, Charlie, when you go, don't say anything. Just kneel down, Frema. I'm sorry, Charlie, bro. Hold him leg. If possible, cry, weep. Jesus wept. Weep, bro. Weep.
Charlie, for me take this thing serious.
I did talk facts. Where you dey, Charlie? Jesus wept. Go weep. Hold him leg, Frema. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do this. Frema, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do. Hold the leg. Cry, weep. You will see say the girl go fit hold you. Will raise you like the way Jesus raised Mary. He will raise you up. He will carry you. Then hug you. Charlie, if possible, kisses. You go drop your nice kisses there. Fact, that's the distant solution. You know, do I'm not let them pass carrier, Charlie. Don't call me again.
Be like you try talk some.
No be like I dey try talk some sense. So, hey, German, I dey talk you the facts, the truth, the sense. Go do am, that be all. Go do am. Go kneel down. Remember, I'm sorry. Weep, bro. The key word, weep. If you weep, if a guess is say in baby, they weep. Hey, Charlie, romantic, passion, everything. The girl go feel come again like magic. Then hold you, kiss you. That day, if you make one, you go play the machine straight. Stop. Solution. I'll give you. That's all.
So I think I for rush then go.
Yeah, rush. If you like storm, fast. Go do am fast. Okay. But you yourself, you know say now. Listen, I know they want to talk, but you know they now they feel from my body. Charlie. Why you bought? I get banana you. You wait up. I bought banana. Oh, why you bought? Wait for you, bro. Oh, Shaman. Anything beyond make I know.
Okay, no problem. Why you for stop that thing?
Oh, what's up?
Oh, sure. But how you do the licking way I did.
So how you do the licking? You do have like oh hey, Chama Mosu.
I like how that as well, Charlie. I'm far off from home.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time.